Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for complete statistical analysis. How to prepare a dataset for Tocher Clustering Analysis. There are three ways to create or format your dataset. Method 1. Creating the dataset in Microsoft Excel. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and creating a blank workbook. Suppose you have 4 genotypes and 3 replications. In the first column, enter the treatment names. For the first replication, enter the treatments one below the other as G1, G2, G3, G4. These 4 rows represent replication 1. Now, for the second replication, repeat the same treatment names in the same order: G1, G2, G3, G4. Similarly, for the third replication, once again enter G1, G2, G3, G4. In other words, the treatment names are repeated once for every replication. Next, create the replication column. For the first 4 rows, enter 1, indicating replication 1. For the next 4 rows, enter 2, indicating replication 2. For the final 4 rows, enter 3, indicating replication 3. After the treatment and replication columns, add your characters or traits in the remaining columns. For example, character 1, character 2, character 3. Your dataset will look like this. Notice that each genotype appears once in every replication and the order remains the same throughout the dataset. Before saving your file, make sure that the column names are clear and properly labeled, there are no empty cells, character or trait columns contain only numerical values, treatment names are repeated correctly for each replication, replication numbers are entered accurately for every observation. Once completed, save the dataset in Excel or CSV format. This file can now be uploaded directly into RAISINS for Tocher clustering. Method 2. Using the Create Data option in RAISINS. The second method is much easier. To begin, navigate to the Statistical Genetics section and select the Tocher Clustering module. Click on Create Data to open the dataset builder. Here, you need to enter number of treatments, number of blocks or replications, number of characters. For example, if you have 10 treatments, 3 replications and 4 characters, enter treatments as 10, replications as 3 and characters as 4. After entering these values, RAISINS will automatically generate a model template. This template follows the exact format required for Tocher clustering. Now you have 2 options. You can manually type the values directly into the template, or you can copy the data from Excel and paste it directly into the generated table. This makes dataset preparation much faster. Once all values are entered, review the dataset carefully. Then, click Download CSV file to save it. Your dataset is now ready for analysis. Method 3. Using model datasets in RAISINS. The third method is using the Datasets tab. Inside this section, RAISINS provide 3 model datasets. These can be downloaded instantly. These sample files act as references for formatting your own data. They help you understand how treatment names should be arranged, how replications should be entered, and how character columns should be structured. This is especially useful for beginners. Simply download any model dataset, study its structure, and format your own data accordingly. Once your dataset is ready, upload it into the Tocher clustering module, select your variables, configure the options, and run the analysis. And that's how you can prepare a proper dataset for Tocher clustering analysis using Excel or RAISINS.